everyone, welcome back to my channel HJR Comtech. Today's my topic is how to convert the hexadecimal number to the decimal number system, in which I am going to explain two examples. In first example I will consider only the integer part in decimal number. In second example I will consider fractional part also. And at the end of this video I will add the end screen as a playlist where you will find videos for each kind of conversion of one number system to the another number system. So please do watch the video till the end. And now let me start with the first example. Suppose the hexadecimal given number is A032. So this is the hexadecimal number. Now I want to convert this number into its equivalent decimal number. So first I will write all the digits in given number. A0, next 3 and then 2. Now the first main step is to write the weighted values of the hexadecimal number system for each position or for each value given in hexadecimal number. So 2, this digit is present to the rightmost place. Okay, so its weighted value is 16 raised to 0, because you know the weighted values are in terms of power of base, and here base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is 16 and that power starts from 0. So this is 16 raised to 0. Then power will increment by 1. So it will become 1. 16 raised to 1. Again power will increment by 1 and now the value will become 16 raised to 2. And for A, the weighted value will be 16 raised to 3. So this is the first main step in which we have written the weighted values of the hexadecimal number system. Now the next step is where we are going to take the multiplication of each digit in number and with its associated weighted value. What does it mean? Here digit is A and for this place associated weighted value is 16 raised to 3. So here I will write A into 16 raised to 3 plus next digit is 0. Its associated weight is 16 raised to 2 plus next digit 3. Its associated weighted value 16 raised to 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to 0. So finally we are going to take the addition of all these multiplication results. So the first multiplication is A into 16 raised to 3. But we know in hexadecimal number system to represent the values from 10 to 15, the capital letters A to F are used. So the value of A is 10. So here I will put 10 into 16 raised to 3. Its value is 4096 plus 0 into 16 raised to 2. 0 multiply with any number, the result is 0. Next 3 into 16 raised to 1, 16, its power is 1, so the result is 16. So 16 into 3, 48 plus 2 into 16 raised to 0. 16 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Why? Because if we write the power as 0 of any value, then its result is going to be 1 only. So 2 into 1 will become 2. Next 10 into 4096, this is nothing but 4096 plus 48 plus 2, it is 50. So we have to take addition of these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 5, 11, here 1, 9 plus 1, 10, here 1, 1, this is 4. So this is the equivalent decimal number for the given hexadecimal number. So at last you can write this hexadecimal number and then equal to its equivalent decimal number is 41010 and its base is 10. So its base or radix indicates the type of number system. Okay, so this is how we can convert the integer part to the integer hexadecimal to the decimal. Now in second example I will consider the fractional part also in hexadecimal number. Suppose the second example is a second hexadecimal number which is given. Suppose 0A 2 1 and 0.8080. Its base is 16. I want to find out its equivalent decimal. So again write all the digits. First is 0, then A, 2, 1, point is there. Next digit is 8 and the last one is 0. Now here again the main step is to write the weighted values for each digit or each position for the given number. Now we will start to write the weighted values for the integer part first. So this is the rightmost bit for the integer part. So its associated weighted value is 16 raised to 0. Next 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2, 16 raised to 3. Now what is left now? Fractional part. Again for the fractional part also the weighted values are in terms of power of 16 only, but the power starts from the minus 1. For the right side digit again now it will become minus 2. Now third digit is not there, but if third digit is there then we can write its associated value as 16 raised to minus 3, then 16 raised to minus 4, 16 raised to minus 5 and so on. Now the next step is to take the multiplication of digit and its associated weighted value. We will take the multiplication for each digit given in the hexadecimal number. After that we are going to take addition of all those multiplication result, and finally whatever result we will get, that is nothing but the equivalent decimal number. So let's write 0 into 16 raised to 3 plus A. Now the value of A is 10. Here I will write A equal to 10, B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, E equal to 14 and F equal to 15. So these are the letters which are used to represent the values for the to represent the values from 10 to 15. So instead of writing 10, we have to use the letter A in hexadecimal. Okay. So when we are going to take the multiplication, now instead of A, directly I will write here 10. So A into 16 raised to 2. So here directly I have written the 10, which is value of A. Multiply with 16 raised to 2 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus 1 into 16 raised to 0 plus 8 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 16 raised to minus 2. Now this plus part I will write below. Plus 0 into 16 raised to minus 2. Now the next 0 into 16 raised to 3, 0 plus 10 into 16 raised to 2. 10 into 16 raised to 2 means 16 into 16, square of 16, which is 256 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1. 16 raised to 1 is 16. So 16 into 2, 32 plus 1 into 16 raised to 0. The value of 16 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1, the result is 1 plus. Now what is the result of this part? 8 into 16 raised to minus 1. We can write that 16 raised to minus 1 as 1 by 16. Okay. So now we will multiply both the sides with 8. Here also 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So the result of this is 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. And plus the result of this 0 into 16 raised to minus 2 is 0. Now next step. 0 plus, it will not make any change when we are going to add the 0. So 10 into 256, the result is 2560 plus 32 plus 1 plus 0.5. So 32 plus 1 is 33 plus 0.5. Now we will ignore this 0 as well as 0, because when we add 0 to any value, it's not going to change the result. Now the final value is 2560 plus 33. Here it will become 2593 and plus 0.5. So here 0.5. This is nothing but the equivalent decimal number for the given hexadecimal. So at last we can write the answer as, write given hexadecimal number equal to 2593.5 and write radix or base as 10. So this is how very simple method to convert the hexadecimal to the decimal number system. Only the thing we should know the weighted values of hexadecimal number system. Then we will take the multiplication of digit with its associated weighted value, and at last just take the addition of all those multiplication result. So isn't it too easy? Yes, it's too easy method. So if you like the video, please click on like.